Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I'll be telling you the best flowering plants ever I have uploaded in video, and this is the best flowering plants as well as this is the huge herbal importance, medicinal importance. All the parts of plants are very important. So today, I'll be telling you about the blue pea or butterfly pea. In Hindi, it is called Aparajita. This is the nicest flower plants you see. This is the white color flowering plants. This is double petal, and many of the double petal or single petal of this Aparajita flower plant you can see they come in around four varieties. Some is white, some blue, violet and pink. These four variety, and in that each plant you can get single petal as well as double petal. Here I have the two plants I have in my garden. You see this is the violet pattern, and this the flower is nice flower. You see this is the double petal, and around 3 to 4 flowers have already bloomed in my. This is the 2 months old plant, very new, and this fruits flowers only in 2 months after sowing the seeds you can get flowers. And this is the I have bought it around 1 foot tall. 1.5 month back I have bought it 1 month, and now in within 1.5 month you can see all the lots of branches has emerged from here, and the plants is full in its flower. I tell you, this is the perennial plants, and around the year you can get the flowers from here, especially in the summer months. So this is considered as the most luckiest plant in your house, and this deters all the evil spirits from your house. So this is the best plant for your house. Many people ask me which is the best plant for suitable plant for growing in your house. So this is the best plant you can grow, and the white one and the blue one or the violet one is the best. And this is best because they are Lord Shiva is very fond of this flower, Aparajita flower. So Lord Shiva is Asutosh, so he will be happy if you offer these flowering plants or flowers. And again, Goddess Durga loves this flower very much, so you can offer to Goddess Durga also, Ma Durga also, and even the Lord Vishnu is very fond of this flower. So this is the flower is also called Vishnu Kanta. So in any case, all the lords and goddesses are very fond of this flower, and they have the lots of medicinal importance too. So you must grow. This is the very easiest to grow from seeds or from cuttings. You can get this flower plant. So after flowers are spent, lots of pots, these seed pots are developed from here. This is the some of these pots, like pea pots you see. This is like that, and some flattened pea pots, and they have lots of seeds, black color seeds. And if you can grow these seeds, and within a couple of days you can get these flowers, and in 2 months only you can get flowers from it. So easy to grow, and if you want you can grow from cuttings also, very easy to grow. And if you buy any plants from the nursery, they cost 30 to 40 rupees, baby single petal or double petal. Here is the double petal. If you want you can take the cuttings or from seeds from single petal also. That is also nice, equally important. Here is the blue color or violet color, whatever you want. And I have grown these plants from 1 foot to now in 2 months. You see the whole plants have grown around 2 to 3 plants, and hundreds of branches and hundreds of flowers you can get. It has lots of medicinal and herbal importance, and if you can get this plant and the extract of the roots of these plants, and useful for the migraines, those who have got severe headache, migraine, they can use these roots here. And the extracts of the leaves are used for many diseases, especially for the migraines and from the stomach diseases and lots of urinary diseases. And the seeds, if you macerate the seeds and you can make the kara, you can get the common cold for the minors, you can use for common colds or coughing, sneezing, you can apply. So lots of importance, especially in the diabetes also, they are also used in medicinal purpose. So friends, if you want to grow Aparajita or blue pea or butterfly pea, just buy one white plant. This is very auspicious plants for your house. And if you want, you can grow one blue color or violet color. These are the best for any of the religious activities or puja performance or offering to the gods or goddesses. That is a nice one, and they have the lots of medicinal importance. That is also an additional benefit for you, that roots are useful, leaves are useful, all this fruits are useful, available, seeds are available, everything you can use in medicinal purpose. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.